Hello everyone. Okay, time for our phonics now. I've got some special superhero phonics cards. So we're going to have a little look now at some of our sounds to start off with our on these superhero cards. Okay, are we ready? O. Yeah. X. A. W. Z. Oh, can't get them apart. Here we go. Z. Ch. E. I. Qu. Or. So we do E, or. W. Sh. V. J. So this is one you were doing this week with Mrs. Tuttle. So we say and ow. So I know this is one you were learning yesterday with Mrs. Tuttle. Ow. So let's have a little look and see if we can now do some blending. So get your blending finger ready. Everybody, here we go. Ow, ooh, owl. B, ow, bow. Ow, now. All sticking together. Here we go. T, ow, town. B, t, better. Ooh. D, dinner. B, banner. B, ox, boxer. S, supper. Well done, everyone. Very, very good blending. Okay, so today we're going to look at our new sound. So here it is. So we've got another digraph to learn today. So we have got the O letter shape and the I letter shape. And so together we say oi. And the action we do for this is we put our hand by our mouth and we go oi, oi, like we're calling someone. So should we try that? We say oi. Can you try it for me? Oi. Well done. Okay, let's have a little look now at some words that have got our oi sound in them. So here we go. Ready again with our blending finger? We say b, oi, ooh, boil. J, oi, join. Oi, coin. Well done, everyone. S, oi, ooh, soil. And last one, long one for the last one. Ready? T, f, oi, ooh, tin foil. Tin foil. Well done, everyone. Great phonics today.